Conscious of the imperative of cementing a safer and more effective food service industry, offers more than just paper certifications. We deliver specialized, interactive, and flexible food safety training. Please visit our website to register for one of our ServSafe Manager classes or to sign up for a ServSafe test proctoring session. You can also contact us to schedule a class in your establishment or preferred location. Please enjoy the following food safety tips by MG Food Safety. Proper hand washing is essential to food safety. It prevents the spread of viruses like norovirus and hepatitis A, which causes jaundice. The first step of the hand washing process is to wet your hands and forearms in hot water. The temperature of the water should be 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The next step is to apply antibacterial soap. Now you will scrub your hands and forearms vigorously for 10 to 15 seconds. Then you will rinse your hands and forearms. And if applicable, you should also use a paper towel to turn off the faucet and to open the restroom door. Remember, the total hand washing process should take 20 seconds. Having a thermometer in the kitchen is absolutely critical to make sure all foods are cooked to the correct minimal internal temperatures. A cook or chef without a thermometer is like a farmer without a plow. You will need to have a plastic container filled with more ice than water and your thermometer. It could be the commonly used bimetallic thermometer or the digital or thermocouple version. You will first insert the thermometer without touching the container's bottom or edges. Your thermometer will initially read around 70 degrees Fahrenheit or room temperature. After introducing the thermometer to the ice and water, you must wait until it reads 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Your thermometer will be officially calibrated when it reaches 32 degrees. If food is not immediately served after cooking, it must be cooled down and maintained at a temperature of 41 degrees Fahrenheit or less. There are various methods to properly cool down high-quantity liquid foods like soups or sauces. You can divide the liquid into separate metal containers for it to cool down faster. You can then place the containers on an ice bath where they could be left to cool. Also, if the recipe calls for more water, you can add ice during the cooling process. Sanitizing every equipment that comes in contact with food helps prevent both cross-contamination and cross-contact. Approved chemical sanitizers include chlorine, iodine, and quartz. Let's see how we can set the concentration of chlorine. First, you should fill your sink sanitizing compartment with water. The next step is to add the chlorine. You will then measure the concentration of the chemical by submerging a pH strip in the solution for 10 seconds. You will first rinse, scrape, and soak items before washing them. The first sink is used to clean items. You should wash them with soap or detergent and water. The water should be at least 110 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a brush, cloth, or nylon scrub pad to clean the item. We hope you have enjoyed these simple yet indispensable food safety tips.